Hey guys, Alex here with Break Free Technologies, and in today's little video I'm going to show you how to mount Break Free to your Shoei RF1400. So this is the Shoei RF1400, a really popular and very beautiful helmet. One problem though, Break Free doesn't quite fit here where the ideal spot for it would be with the existing universal mount, because it's just not thick enough to attach to this concave shape right here. So some folks have been mounting it to this location here, which is fine, but it isn't ideal because in this situation, Break Free is facing upwards and you really want it to shine backwards at the drivers behind you. So we've created this new mount right here. This is the RF1400 mount. It's specific for this helmet only. Let's open this up. I can show you the mount. So as you can see, the mount is thicker and it's got a bit of a curve to it to match up with the curve right there. So I'm going to show you right now how to install the Shoei RF1400 mount onto the Shoei RF1400. It's pretty straightforward, same as the previous install video, but I will show you a couple of tricks to make it a little bit easier. So first things first, the things you will need to do the install. You will need some isopropyl alcohol, 99%. That's a good one to use. I have it in this spray can right here. You will need, optionally, you will need a hair dryer just to heat up the adhesive a little bit, and a microfiber towel or something you could wipe the helmet down with without scratching it up. So microfiber towel will do the trick. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and just give it a quick spray and wipe down the back to get rid of any oil or dirt or anything that's going to cause problems with adhesion. Alright, so that's looking real nice. I'm going to set the helmet aside now. Second thing you want to do, so pro tip here, is you want to use the hair dryer to heat up the adhesive a little bit. So that way it's going to be increasing the cure time and will adhere a little bit better. So just going to put it on low. All right, that's good enough. And the mount is going to go, the top edge is going to line up with the H. It's going to go right there. And then the bottom edge, if you want to line it up by the bottom edge, it's going to cover all of the white parts of the DOT sticker right here at the top. Just right where the black parts start in the letter D and an O, or just underneath the T. So you could use either one of those as guides. I'm actually going to switch hands so it's easier for the camera to see what I'm doing here. So there's also a nice little kind of almost an arrow pointing straight down, so you could actually use that to line it up. That looks about right. The mount's on there. Now I'm going to use just the thumbs of my hand here and just push down on the mount for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to move my thumbs around to push on all the different areas of the mount to make sure that everything is being adhered here. Okay, and then I'm going to use the heel of my hand and push it down even more. All right, so there we have it. Our F1400 mount installed on the RF1400 Shoei helmet. Let this cure for about an hour to 2 hours before the ride, and then you should be all set. And just to show you the fitment, there it is. Looks good. Thank you guys for checking this out. And thank you for supporting Break Free. Bye.